Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela and I make videos all about scented candles. My daughter and I are going to share with you how to make a beautiful black, elegant, masculine candle. Let's get to it.
Hi, so today we're going to do these two candles. This one is a 10-ounce candle. This one is a 5-ounce candle. So that would mean that we would need 15 ounces of wax. But we are going to do, obviously we have to account for the essential oils, and we use 10%. The ratio that we like to use is 10% oils, you know, to the candle. So you have to account for that. So let's do the math. So 5 and 10, that would be 15 ounces minus, you know, the 10% for that. So we did the math and it comes to 1.5 ounces. 15 ounces minus the 1.5, right? So then that would equal 13.5 total wax that we'll be using, and the rest will be the essential oils to make up for the 15 altogether. Hope that makes sense. If not, just feel free to ask. Leave a comment and we'll answer questions for you. I hate math too, so don't be embarrassed if you have questions. Okay, so whoops, that's way too much. They're smaller. Let's see. Let's do that, I think. Okay, so that's 1.75, so that makes still, okay, so we have to cut a little bit. Maybe I should do over, because okay, so this is, what did we say? Sorry, 13.5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so wax is in the scale. So now we're going to transfer this into the little hot plate here and melt the wax. Make sure we keep an eye on that guy, and we're gonna keep stirring it. Right now it has to melt a little bit, so we're just gonna leave it at that. So while this is melting, we should, this is when you can start putting the wicks, you know, sticking the wicks onto your little container things. We already did that, so I don't have to right now, but I am going to figure out how I want them to smell. So I'm gonna pick out my essential oils, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is almost ready, almost melted, not quite yet. I picked out my essential oils I'm going to use, and actually you can have a lot of fun with that part because it makes it your own. You know, you pick your own scent, and so it's kind of special to you, and that's my favorite part of making candles. So yeah, you can do just only one straight up scent if you like, or you can mix 2, or like me, you can mix like 5 if you want, or even 10. There's really no limits to what you want to do. So yeah, have fun with the process. And I, for one, like really musky, earthy smells more than I like sweet smells. Like, yeah, I don't like those. I like more earthy, musky. I like citrusy, so that's what I'm trying to go for. All right, so when this is done, we'll go ahead and pour that in here, get that going, and then if you want to, yeah, we'll see how it turns out, okay? Okay, so now I'm pouring right now the essential oils. I have to do 1.5. I have about 1 ounce here. My base for this one, I'll just let you guys know what my base is. I used one called Fraser Fir, which is the earthy base, I think. And then I poured a little bit of honeysuckle, which I love. And so now I'm going to figure out the other ones I want to put. So let's see, maybe I'll do a little bit of, like I said, I like musk, but we don't have very much musk here right now, so I'm going to put a little bit of this one. This one's called Library, which I really like. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's about it. Okay, so I have a little bit left to put for my essential oils. I'm going to use this one. This one's like a white sage lavender type scent. So there we go. Just a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, so for these particular candles, I kind of wanted to make them black. Thought that would be kind of cool. So to do that, make sure you do that before you put the essential oils into the wax. So do you remember the temperature that, I know I got messy. Do you remember the temperature that you need to have the wax be at to put your oil? Is 185, right? So then when you dye the wax, you want to make sure you do it before the 185, so around 180, 82. Right now it's at
180. Yeah, just do it now. Yeah, 180.
Okay, so it's about 180. I'm gonna put about 10 drops of this black dye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. Okay. And mix it up. Now this is just me being a little extra. You don't need to have it black. You could have it, you know. But I like the black. The color of my soul. Just kidding. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, it's kind of messy, you guys, so careful. Maybe put gloves on.
Yeah, the dye of that black is very, very intense.
Okay, so now let's measure it and make sure we get at 185. Are you still?
Yeah.
I don't know, this thing is like wonky.
And if you want to know what the color is, you can put a drop in here of the color so you know which one, if it's the one that you want, or you want to add
it blacker.
More. Okay, then add more color.
Okay, cool, so you can...
Yeah, you can add more if you want. Oh, yeah.
Way
Perfect. Better. You can even add a little more.
Yeah, okay, well. Okay, so I kept on adding more black dye to my wax because I like it blacker. So as you can see, I did like a little test on a piece of paper. You can just put as much to your liking. I'm about this level of black right now, so I think I quite like that. I don't know if you can go any darker than that. Yeah, that's pretty hot. That's pretty cool. All right, so that's about it.
Let me turn to them more closer.
Okay.
Close. So now it's in 185. Let's see. You can go ahead and add the essential oils. Take it out of the heat and add the essential oils.
Okay, so now you guys, we put the dye in. We're ready to put the essential oils. Remember, this is worth gold, so make sure you try not to spill it. Do it very slowly, but with purpose, you know what I'm saying? Like this. Purpose, like that. Okay. All right, let's do a little bit more. It's kind of like you're baking. Okay, more. I think I have one more splash to go. There we go. All the while, continue stirring. And this part's, you have to have patience because you have to stir a while.
2 minutes.
You like to do, yeah, 2 minutes each direction. So, slowly. 2 minutes going like this, and then set your timer, and then after that, set it again and go the other direction.
Yeah, 6. Wow, smells delicious.
Okay, so that's about it. That's about done with the stir. Okay, so we'll put this right here. Okay, let's go ahead and pour this wax. Okay, so I have to measure this, right?
Yeah.
So we'll
make sure.
To make sure we're extra professional. 5 ounces in this guy.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Ooh, the black looks awesome. Oops. Okay, let's keep going, keep it going. Almost there.
8.
4.8. Okay. I'm better at it with the bigger one. Let me do the bigger one. Perfect.
5. Okay, yeah,
awesome.
5.
Okay. And the rest we'll put in here. This one is the 10 ounce.
Yeah.
Make sure you pour it fast because if you go too slow, it'll spill.
Yes.
Like I just did. Don't do what I did. Okay, perfect. It's actually a little bit more than 10. It's 10.4.
10 what? Point. Okay.
It's good. Okay, perfection.
Better to have more than that.
Yeah, I went a little bit over the 10 is what I was telling my mom.
Yeah.
Which is okay though. Cool.
Okay. Let's go take
cool.
it over there.
Okay, now that the candles have dried, it's time to cut the wicks. Mom, how long do you say we need to keep them?
0.2 of an inch or half centimeter.
Okay, well you can use a little wick cutter, but I don't really like this. I like the nail clipper better, so that's something you can do. Eyeball it like right, let's do like right there. Pull it. Pull
Yeah,
it.
that's fine.
There you go.
I named him. His name
Make sure you do the double wicks evenly. Let me see. Perfect. Still cutting the wick. Okay. Okay, so you may notice when I was cutting the wick, on this candle, the little hole there. You see that? Well, now I'm going to fix that by using my hot gun here. And it's very hot. You just melt the very top surface here of the candle, and that hole will disappear. I hope. Let's see. A sinkhole.
A sinkhole.
Yeah, it's a sinkhole. But look, it's all gone. So you need a hot gun to do that.
No, it's okay. You can burn it.
Yeah, don't get too close. Yeah, just close enough. I think that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Okay, and there you go. Take a look. Hole gone. How it ended up. Remember that big hole? Look, that little sinkhole gone. Right there. That's it. And all done. We did.
I hope you like this video, and I hope you guys make the candles and have fun as much as we did showing you how to make these beautiful candles. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
Remember that big hole? Look, that little sinkhole gone.